what white noise is? Okay, so the first time I had that experience, it was the first time I was sleeping with somebody new. She went to the washroom, and I kept hearing the buzz of a fan. Psst, 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 what the hell is that? So she comes back, and I go, honey, can you turn off the fan? I thought she had some kind of portable fan in her purse. She goes, that's not a fan, it's only the sound of a fan. I go, oh, you kept me up all night for that? I go, what? That's insane. I mean, that's why they call it white noise. I mean, only a white person would need the TV on all night, or the sound of a fan when I can't fucking sleep.